Hello, I'm Nona Orbach. I'm an artist, an educator, and an art therapist since the late 80s. The studio is my co-therapist, my assistant. I will share with you the basic divisions I do with materials. I hope you find it useful. The studio communicates through the orders and sorting. The studio is a safe place that facilitates self-expression, competence, creativity, joy, diversity, and collaborations. Thinking studio is a conscious arrangement of furniture, objects, and materials. The largest categories in my studio are the art medium that we buy, like paints, brushes, different tools, etc. And the second large one is all the collected materials from nature, from industry, and they're organized in different shelves or places in the studio. The art mediums include three categories. There is the family of wet and liquid mediums, there is the linear dry mediums, and there is a special family that I title joiners, dividers, and measuring tools, and they have a significant meaning in art therapy. You can read about it in my book, The Good Enough Studio. Collected materials are the nature ones we collect on the beach, in the forest. The industrial ones are leftovers from home, from factories. They have been processed. Container and contained at its best is mother and baby. All materials in the studio are deeply related to the vessel that contains them. It has a huge nonverbal impact on the users. For example, I placed the same amount of seeds in 3 containers. A green cardboard box, a balsa round shape container, and a black plastic container. Each one makes us feel different. We might not even have words to express that. Which container would you choose? For whom? When? Here is another example of oil pastels presented in 3 different ways. What do you prefer? Try to rethink the oil pastels containers in your studio. Try 2 or 3 containers and feel where they're most comfortable. And then look at your students or your clients and see what happens. Do you suggest pencils horizontally or vertically? Why? Did you ever think about it? There is a huge difference for different people and even for yourself. Sometimes you will choose from this kind of vessel, other times for a different one. Try it and see what happens. When I choose a container, I choose by shape, color, size, and also by the sound. I notice the sound it makes when I touch it. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and that you might even use it. I would love to know how, if you want to share in one of my groups or write an email. Thank you.